In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an MP3 music file to Wix. This is a very simple process, and once you know where to click, it only takes a moment. If you want to add music or audio content to your Wix site, the first thing you need to do is open your website inside the Wix editor so you're on the page where you want to manage your content. Once you're on your site page, look to the top left corner of the editor and click on Add. This is where Wix keeps different elements and content options that you can place into your website or upload into your project. After you click Add, a menu will open with several choices. From that menu, select Upload. This option allows you to bring files directly from your computer into your Wix account. When you click it, Wix will give you the option to choose a file from your device. At this point, locate the MP3 music file you want to upload and select it from your computer. After that, the upload will begin. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. Once the upload is complete, Wix will automatically place the file into your Wix Media Library. This is the central location where your uploaded files are stored, so you can access them later whenever you need them. When you see the MP3 file appear in the Wix Media Library, that means the upload was successful. From there, your music file is now available inside your Wix account and ready for you to use as needed within your site. A helpful tip is to make sure your audio file is clearly named before uploading it, so it's easier to find later in your library, especially if you plan to upload multiple files over time. It's also a good idea to double-check that you're uploading the correct MP3 version you want to use, since that can save time later. And that's it. You simply go to your site page, click Add in the top left, choose Upload, upload the file from your computer, and then find it in your Wix Media Library. Once you've done it one time, the process becomes very quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.